There's a lot of anxiety about AI and jobs, but very little clarity. Some roles are being replaced already, while many others are not. In this video, I'll explain which jobs AI is actually replacing right now, which ones it's only assisting, and why that distinction matters. Whenever AI is discussed, the job question comes up quickly. Headlines often suggest massive future layoffs, entire professions disappearing, or total automation just around the corner. But those narratives blur an important distinction. So the question we're answering today is, which jobs is AI actually replacing right now? Not in theory, not in the future, but today. To set boundaries. This is not about long-term predictions. It's not about hypothetical automation. And it's not about fear-based scenarios. We're focusing only on observable changes that are already happening. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of where AI is substituting labor and where it isn't. The first mistake people make is thinking AI replaces jobs all at once. In reality, AI replaces tasks first, then workflows, and only later, entire roles, if ever. Most jobs are collections of tasks, some repetitive, some judgment-based, some interpersonal. AI enters where tasks are digital, repeatable, rule-based, or language-driven. Understanding this helps separate real displacement from exaggerated fear. There are several areas where AI is already substituting labor, not just assisting it. Customer support. Basic inquiries, ticket routing, and routine responses are increasingly handled by AI systems with minimal human oversight. Translation and transcription. Real-time and batch translation, captioning, and transcription are now commonly automated for speed and cost reasons. Content transformation roles. Tasks like summarization, rewriting, formatting, metadata generation are often handled entirely by AI. Entry-level data and reporting tasks. Generating routine reports, dashboards, and structured summaries is increasingly automated. In these cases, AI is not just helping, it's doing the work. Equally important is where AI is not replacing jobs. Roles that still require accountability, complex judgment, human trust, or physical presence remain largely human-led. Examples include management and leadership, skilled trades, high-stakes decision-making, creative direction, relationship-driven roles. AI may assist these jobs, but it does not replace responsibility. That distinction matters. Job replacement doesn't happen evenly across the economy. It depends on cost sensitivity, scale, error tolerance, regulatory environment. Roles that are high volume, low margin, highly standardized, feel pressure first. That's why AI replacement shows up quietly in back-office functions long before it shows up in visible professions. AI is not replacing jobs broadly. It's replacing specific types of work. Understanding which tasks are vulnerable helps reduce fear and increase clarity. Right now, AI replaces repetitive, digital, language-driven, low-judgment tasks. Everything else is changing more slowly. The real challenge isn't sudden job loss. It's adapting as workflows evolve around what AI now handles automatically. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. Your likes truly inspire us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. We hope you have a blessed day.